Adding your website to Google Search Console is a crucial step for monitoring its performance in search results. Here's a concise guide. Sign into Google Search Console. Log into your Google account. If you don't have one, create it. Visit Google Search Console. Go to the Google Search Console website and click Start Now. Add property. Click on the Add Property button. Enter your website URL in the provided field, ensuring accuracy. Verify ownership. Google Search Console offers several verification methods. Choose a method and follow the instructions provided. HTML tag verification is commonly used by adding a meta tag to your website's header. Confirm verification. After implementing the chosen verification method, go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Confirm successful verification. Access Search Console dashboard. Once verified, you will be redirected to the Search Console dashboard. Here, you can access valuable insights into your website's performance in Google Search. Submit a sitemap. In the dashboard, submit your website's XML sitemap under the Sitemap section. This helps Google better understand your site structure. Explore tools and reports. Familiarize yourself with various tools and reports in Google Search Console to gain insights into search performance, index coverage, and potential issues affecting your site.